In the last 1 year, GoldBeES has given 70% returns and Nifty has given less than 10% returns. So if someone had invested 10,000 rupees in GoldBeES and 10,000 rupees in Nifty, the gold would have become to 17,000 rupees. And because of apps and online platforms, buying gold today has become extremely easy. So in this video, I will show what exactly is gold investment and the options available for you and which one makes sense for you. So let's get into the video. Gold investment simply means holding gold as an asset, not something to wear. You will not buy physical gold as investing. You will buy digital gold and gold in ETF form because there will be no making charges and no wastage charge for digital gold. And the important thing is when the market falls, the gold rises. So think of gold like Walter White of assets. It's the one who knocks while the economy is crashing. So if you're a beginner, why you should start investing in gold is, so right now there are two things are happening. One is gold is rising while the markets like Nifty has under pressure. So the attention is high. So the second one is buying digital gold has become so easy that literally anyone can do it from your mobile phone itself. So this combination attracts more investors into gold. First I will show all the available options and then I will show screen recordings of buying and selling gold with your mobile phone itself. So the first one is digital gold savings. This is the most easiest option available right now. You can buy gold from apps like Paytm or PhonePe or similar applications. So you don't need a demat account and you don't need a lot of money. You can just invest with 10 rupees itself. So this is the reason most beginners like it. It feels simple and instant, so it's fine when you're starting out, but when you move to bigger amounts, can move to structured options. So most of the beginners stop here, but there are more better options available. So the second one is gold ETF. Gold ETF tracks the price of gold, so you will buy it directly from the stock market. You should definitely have a demat account for this, so you can just directly buy it during the market hours. The main advantage here is transparency. It fits well for you if you are already comfortable with investing in stocks with apps like Kite or Groww or Angel One. Now let's clear one big confusion about GoldBeES. A lot of people thought GoldBeES is something different or special, but it's not. There are many gold ETFs in India and GoldBeES is one of them, a very popular one. This confusion alone makes people overthink about gold investing. And then you have gold mutual funds. Gold mutual funds don't directly invest in gold. Instead, they invest in gold ETFs for you. The main thing is convenience. You can set up automatic SIP just like mutual funds. So if you're already investing in mutual funds, SIPs and just want some exposure to gold, this may be a good option for you. And then there is a great option which is sovereign gold bonds by government, but unfortunately this option is not available right now as of December 2025. And choosing the right investment options in gold, beginners make a huge mistake here. They see all the investment options and think one option is good and the other option is bad, but that's not how it works. Each option exists for different types of investors. So let me simplify this. If you don't have a demat account, you can go with gold digital funds with Paytm or similar applications. But I still recommend you to open a demat account. It's almost 2026 and stocks and mutual funds are the new real estate now. So if you want to open a demat account, you can check the link in the description. If you already have a demat account, you have two good options to invest in gold. If you are actively investing and just want to add more gold whenever it's falling, you can go with GoldBeES. But you are investing in bigger amounts and want to set up SIP and just forget about it, you can go with gold mutual funds. So in Paytm app, go to Paytm Gold and the minimum amount is 51 rupees for SIPs like daily or weekly or monthly and 50 rupees for one-time investment. You can learn more about digital gold by scrolling down where they store gold and about selling the gold, etc. So in PhonePe app, go to gold and silver section and you can see I used to invest in gold PhonePe initially. So the minimum amount is 10 rupees for one time and you can see live price of 24 karat gold here. For SIPs, go to daily saving and choose any amount starting from 10 rupees daily. If you see the payment breakup, there is 3% GST and the remaining 90% of amount will be invested. If you buy around 13,000 rupees worth of digital gold, you are basically buying 1 gram of 24 karat gold. So for GoldBeES, I use Kite app, but you can use any stock investing app. So just search GoldBeES and buy it like normal stock. Recently, I sold most of the quantity and booked profits because of the good gold rally. Roughly around 112 to 113 quantities of GoldBeES is equal to 22 karat gold. But don't worry, you can even buy one unit. It's Sunday, so I can buy today. I'm just showing how you can buy GoldBeES. So to invest in gold mutual funds, I use Coin app and invest in Zerodha Gold Fund. Again, you can choose any mutual fund investing applications. Just click buy and enter the amount and it's get credited to your account in a couple of days. To set up SIP, it's just like normal mutual funds. Click SIP, choose installment amount which is minimum 100 rupees and choose the frequency. So if you are a beginner and want to set up automatic SIP, I am making a detailed video to set up SIP which is better than the regular SIP. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will tell you what I personally do. I don't invest in gold because it's rising. I invest in gold because it balances my portfolio. I started with PhonePe digital gold and then slowly moved to GoldBeES, and finally right now I have SIP in gold mutual funds and also adding GoldBeES whenever the price is getting attractive. Gold is not something I add aggressively, it is something I add slowly over time. For most people, if your portfolio has 5 to 15% of money in gold, it works best. If you go 100% in gold because it's rising, that's usually a mistake, because gold does not multiply your wealth, it just protects your wealth. So if you are a beginner, even a weekly or monthly SIP with just 100 rupees is more than enough, and then later you can move to bigger options. Gold investing has become easier, yes, but easy access does not mean careless investing. If you are a beginner, start small and understand what you are buying. If you are building a long-term portfolio, use gold as support, not the main engine. That's how gold investing actually helps. So if you want a full breakdown of my portfolio, comment portfolio, and I will make a separate video showing what are all the funds I am investing and what are all the stock, about the crypto part, about the gold part, everything. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment portfolio.